In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate apps in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect tools like Google Drive, Zoom, or Trello, so your team can work without jumping between tabs. Start by opening Slack and making sure you're in the correct workspace. You'll see the workspace name at the top left. You can do this on the desktop app or in a browser. The process is the same. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find Apps. Click it, then select Add Apps or Browse Apps. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the Apps section clearly. Now, use the search bar to find the app you want. Type something like Google Drive, Zoom, or Trello, or browse categories if you're exploring options. Click the app to open its details page. This page usually explains what the app can do in Slack, the features it enables, and any permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add to Slack. Depending on your setup, you might see an Install or Add button. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected before proceeding. Next, review the permissions. This is where Slack tells you exactly what the app will be able to access, things like channels it can post to, or actions it can perform on your behalf. Read these carefully so there are no surprises, then click Allow to install. If your organization requires an admin to approve apps, Slack will let you know and send the request automatically. In that case, you'll be able to continue once it's approved. Many apps require an extra login or authorization step. For example, Google Drive will ask you to sign in and grant access, and Zoom may request permission to manage meetings. Follow the prompts, confirm the account you want to connect, and complete any setup screens, such as choosing default notifications or linking specific resources. These steps ensure Slack can securely talk to the external service. Once the app is installed, you'll see it under Apps in your sidebar. From there, you can open the app's home to view options, try /commands, and learn what it can do. You can now use the app in channels, within workflows, or as part of automations. For example, you can share a Drive file into a channel, start a Zoom meeting directly from Slack, or create a Trello card from a message. If notifications become too noisy, open the app in Slack and adjust its settings so alerts go to the right channels. That's it. You've integrated an app into Slack and connected it to your workspace, so your team can move faster with everything in one place.